Okay guys, so what we're doing first is we've got the accent fabric and the background fabric, and we are doing these large half square triangles. So it tells us to cut apart our E blocks and our J blocks. We can actually wait to do that. In the instructions, it tells you to cut D and I into quarters, but I find it easier to instead leave those as whole squares and sew them together as 2 at a time half square triangles. Then you will cut them apart and press them open. And then rather than cutting I into triangles, you'll leave those as squares as well. And attach them as if they are going to become quarter square triangles to your half square D and I blocks. Your D and I blocks will be half squares at this point and pressed open. And then you will lay your J over the top and create 3/4 square triangles using the J blocks as a whole square and your I and D as normal half squares. Once you sew those together and then trim them up, you will end up with these 3/4 square blocks. If that's too complicated, you can follow the directions the way that they have it in there and it'll turn out fine for you. But if you don't like fiddling with triangle points, that is a way around that. All right, guys, so now I'm sewing these 3 blocks together, and I'm sewing these 3 blocks together as well. And again, this bottom one is just a repeat of this turned upside down. So we're going to sew all of these together. Okay, so now we have these 3 strips, and we are going to be joining them all together to create this block. All right. Okay, guys, that's the Dinah block done for our Dinah quilt. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.